Activity 3. Explore color mixing. Create color mixing picture. We got these 3 colors with primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue. So and we got these 4 spaces. We should only get 3 colors. But this paint thing comes with 4. We put in a bit of red. We wash the paintbrush. This is optional. But if you have these, I don't want to get any red paint in there. It comes bad when it get red paint in there. And now you take a bit of blue. Put in with a red and mix it around. What you should get is magenta, which is purple.
Okay.
And that's how you get purple. Now we wash out this. And now we take more of this red. We put it here. Take a bit more. And now we put that in there. We mix it up. And now you take out the yellow.
And the colour becomes
Orange.
oh.
Now you get orange right here. And at the end I might show you one more color that you can make with 2 of the colors that you obtained. Then mix
That's
that up.
exciting.
Now you take some yellow, place it down, mix it up here, wash it out. Now I think about it, I shouldn't have filled up 2 canisters. I'm only using 1. Now you take blue, you put it here and you mix it up. And you get green. Now, it's time to show you the last color I said I'm going to make. Now I wash it up. I wash out the paintbrush. And now I add red. And I take green. I take some green. And I mix them up. I need some more green. Actually, I'm going to mix it up straight right here. And then we get brown. And that's how you get 4 different colors with only 3.
Wow. Thank you very much, Victor. Bye.
Bye-bye.